Welcome to our channel again. Hope you all are doing really well. Today I will show you the another country, Portugal. So stay with us till the end of our video.
Hello everyone, welcome to Lisbon. So we buy the Lisbon card for 3 days. So it's a 72 hours card and it charges 42 euro per person. So that's the card, and it's included all the public transport and also the tourist attractions as well. So we arrived in our Airbnb flat. The flat is really nice. You can see a nice view in my backside. There is a hilly area. It's really lovely.
Jeronimos monastery is the best place to visit if you are a tourist and the correct representation of what we could do as a people back in the day. It is a huge and gorgeous. It is part of the history. With Lisbon card, you doesn't have to pay anything extra to enter.
One of the World Heritage Sites in Lisbon, and also this is the trek from downtown Lisbon, so take a bus. Opposite side of the monastery, we are now going to the nice fountain there. And see the beautiful sittings of Belem and neighborhood. So there is an entrance point, you have to go by the other way. A must-see place, very worth visiting, nice experience inside the touring. This is a beautiful architectures and many photo opportunities. So great experience, restricted amount of people allowed in a time, so it's never crowded. So they have a system for the narrow steps, so they do not get blocked, and it works really well.
Belem Tower entry fee also included with our Lisbon card. It is a great photo opportunity of the river and the waterfront. It is a very tough climb for anyone who will have travel on stairs though. Well-regulated up-down systems of red and green lights makes the stairs traffic manageable. Belem Tower is pretty far from city center. Try to eat pastries de Belem from the authentic shop just nearby. At the evening, we visit one of the restaurants. It's called Hotel Mondial to see the 360-degree views of the Tejo, the castle, and the Bexia district. It was an amazing view from the rooftop, and we done our dinner from this restaurant. This bookstore is just impressive with its big shelves going almost as high as the ceiling. There is also a little cafe in the bookstore. The place is not only cool to look at but also good place to buy books, go around to enjoy the place and check out the books they offer. Probably you can find one to read or as a gift or as a souvenir. This is the end of our part 1. See you in next part. Until then, take care, bye bye, and don't forget like, comment and subscribe our channel.